So this is what you do when you don't feel good and you still need to work and you still need to post on social media. You do it from your bed, in your blankies, and then you grab your phone. So I'm going to show you guys how to do a voiceover. And so what I've done is I've loaded up my video right here. And I'm going to go over to ChatGPT, which I've already had ChatGPT create the script. I'm going to copy this. And I'm going to start it at the beginning. I'm going to hit, where is it? I'm going to hit audio, then record, and it'll give you the teleprompter app. This is a pro feature inside CapCut. So if you don't have pro, then you can always use the free teleprompter app. But in my opinion, paying for pro on CapCut is just so worth it because it makes your life a heck of a lot easier. So you're going to delete whatever it is that you don't want. And now you have the script here. And then you just hit apply. And you can mess with how big it is. You just go to the edit button or this little settings button right here. And you can mess with the speed, the font size, and even the color of the text if you'd like. But I've already have it set to my speed. So from here, I'm just going to hit the record button, and this is all B-roll that's on here. So when I don't feel good and I don't want to put on makeup and I don't want to fix my hair, this is what I do here. So I'm going to go ahead and start recording. Disney cruise cabins are small. Yeah, no, that's a lie. And then I usually pause it because if you notice that was moving a little too fast for me. So I'm actually going to change the speed and make it go just a tad bit slower. And so I typically record like 1 or 2 lines and then I will stop it because what happens is we take natural breaths. So if I listen to this, Disney cruise cabins are small. Yeah, no, that's a lie. And you can see that there is a pause at the end. So when I'm looking at the audio, these are your sound waves. And then when it starts to go flat, that's what you want to remove. So I just move the vertical line to where I want to cut the remaining audio off, and I click split. It may not work because of my phone. If that doesn't work, you can always scoot this over. And then I'll start recording from here. The other thing I'm listening for is making sure I didn't take a long pause at the beginning. Disney cruise cabins are small. Yeah, no, that's a lie. Okay, so there's that. And now I'm going to hit record again. We're done with that line. So now I'm on, this is the Disney dream, and I'm about to ruin that myth for you. Okay, so that's what I'm going to say. Go ahead and record. This is the Disney dream, and I'm about to ruin that myth for you. So if you guys remember in the lesson today, notice how my voice, the inflection changed. That is what Shay was talking about in today's lesson, is it's your stage voice. You're not shouting. You're not yelling at the person. You're not talking monotone and very quiet and very meek. You're talking with inflection in your voice so that it's not boring. Okay, so I go back in and I just... That's a lie. So if you notice, I took a breath at the beginning. I'm going to just remove that breath. Which, you guys, I dropped my phone, so my split button isn't working like normal. So, and then at the end, I'm going to remove the breath as well. Nope, I cut off too much. And essentially, I'm just going to keep going through. And see, when I cut it off, it created this gap right here. I need to scoot that over. All I'm going to do is take my finger and move it over to where it now matches. So now when we listen to it. Disney cruise cabins are small. Yeah, no, that's a lie. This is the Disney dream, and I'm about to ruin that myth for you. Okay, so I'm going to continue to record, probably in small segments like I have, just because I find it to be easier to edit out the breaths when I do it in small segments. And then I'll finish this video up, add captions, add text on the screen, and it'll be good to go.